for a saka baba or you have a same salon. I see you see your shoulders who are to make I had already now called shoulder. Now, by the actual okay. Shoulder, you can say,
ni put on school,